sure it goes through the.
Oh, you're gonna
go through the other side.
Oh, here. Well, then do this. Let's do this. Take it out. Oh, yeah,
Yeah, so see the wear marks is probably about where it needs to go.
yeah. Okay. It's a good. That's a good. You're grabbing it by a good inch, though. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then here, here, stuff like this, and I go like this to hold them.
Oh yeah.
And you can get better grip on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, now I know how that drill bit got like that. I was over here using it.
yeah. And this is your first time here.
That's
How did
right.
that happen? Yeah. Oh, it'll follow it. It's gonna follow that hole. Probably the guy's sharper one.
Wow, look at there! I can get some Earl in here on the inside.
Yeah. That's the one that's gonna walk on you.
It probably will, huh?
That's the one that's tough.
No, actually,
If you're just really, really slow.
I am.
Yeah, it's really light pressure.
It's staying put.
Yeah. That's the hard one. Actually, you know what? That one's not critical.
This is true.
The inside one could be actually bigger.
Yeah.
It's this outside one you want for the shaft support. So
Right.
actually, if you want, we could bore that hole to the right size and just drill that hole.
Okay.
You see what I'm getting at?
Yeah. Okay.
We could. We'll drill bigger than that. It's gonna be bigger than this, but we're gonna go 11/16. He bought 11/16 material for the shaft. Who buys 11/16?
Well, like I said, what's life without
It must have
more?
been. It must have been on sale.
It was. It was cheap.
Yeah. This outside needs to be this. You want as a little support for the shaft. So
Right.
why don't we bore that? And then actually you can just come in and drill
yeah,
drill
from the
that to
other
whatever
side,
side. We'll drill it to 5/8 so it's bigger.
Right. And then I only have to just.
Because your support block is within an inch of that leg.
Exactly.
So that one just needs to be a hole.
Yeah, exactly. Just to
Right.
allow the shaft to pass through there.
Right, and this is the one you want to be a little closer.
I like that idea.
And since we have it set.
Yeah, so we'll go ahead and nail this one with the boring bar. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, we could bore it and make it so it's.
Yeah.
So I don't have 11/16 drill
bit
that I can put in here.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the. I mean, I have 11. No, I had 11/16. Where is that? Didn't I have one? I had one.
You had a 5/8.
Yeah, I know I have. I thought we. Yeah. Oh yeah, but the problem is it's number 3 Morse taper,
Oh, yeah, that would be an issue.
and I don't have an adapter to fit
The
number
R8.
3. I have a number 2 Morse taper adapter, but I don't have a number 3. So that's what I think we ought to do if we want to have an accurate hole. And then you just drill that other hole. Hell, you could take your torch and torch that.
Exactly. I'm good with those things.
You gotta torch that hole out. Yeah, we'll let the boring bar set up and do that.
Okay.
We'll bring you guys back. Ray on the mill. Say hi, Ray.
Hey, buddies. What's going on?
This is for Facebook. Ray on the mill.
We're making holes.
Philip's not very amused right now.
I know. Get out of here. So this
Go back to your like top secret project over there.
I mean, we're really trying to be serious, and this is Keith Spanners, what's in your box giveaway, and this is a project thought up by Brad Jacobs, of Basement Shop Guy.
Another Philly brother, Brad.
Of course, everybody's links will be on the video somewhere. So, this is just one part of the. Okay, man, crash!
Please excuse my obnoxious air compressor.
But this is one part of the punch test, so we can get this project on the roll to get the punches made by a bunch of people. So.
As you can see, Randy's not wearing his safety glasses just yet, but Ray is. He came equipped for a Yahoo off the street. Came equipped.
This man is a safe guy.
I'm former military. What can I say?
But I do understand those safety glasses haven't come off now for 3 days.
3 days.
That's right.
Pretty much 3 days.
Yeah. Randy told me I wasn't allowed in the shop without safety glasses, so.
I did?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
I just think you
but I don't remember a lot, so.
I don't have those same rules here, but I do want you to be safe.
Okay, good.
Well, that sounded good. Okay, so a lot of credit to Keith Banner and Brad and stuff, and we're just kind of doing our small part of helping out with the box, and I think the box thing is going to be a great.
There's more to come too.
Great projects, and there's going to be a lot of great tools in that box with everybody helping out.
Right.
I think any new upcoming machinist is going to be very proud to own these tools that all of the YouTube machinist community are putting together.
They're going to be nothing but quality stuff, I think. And, it's going to be really, really nice. So.
As soon as I get Philip off his ass, and maybe he'll bust out another one of those hammers, for the box.
You never know.
Yeah. So is this going to be literally our test piece?
No, that's not our test piece.
Okay.
Well, we're going to.
We had aluminum. We're going to do aluminum, right?
We're going to do aluminum. We'll just put a whack on the back end of the side. Back side.
On the top. Who cares?
Okay. Well, who cares? So, here we go. Why isn't my
Does
thing
it
not
show?
showing? Why isn't my thing connected?
Like, because Ray.
Poor Randy. He's going to have like hours of editing to do.
A couple of his videos, though, they have the. Hold on.
Maybe if Razor raised mouth,
it doesn't move as much. Like if you shake it, look, it's hard to tell you're shaking it.
Yeah.
Right.
You could kind of tell, but that's not bad.
Why are we going to shake it?
No, I'm saying how much it's
looking
got.
to see
Oh,
if
stabilization. Yeah, I think it does.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little handy cam, it's got it where you can and it'll.
Your handy cam.
That one over there.
Okay, this is supposed to be 5 minutes, guys. This is a 5-minute thing.
Okay,
no more
so,
bullshit.
all right.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's
wait,
fun.
I got to turn it on. So
I know.
Okay,
I got it.
Hey, I do have a Starrett seating block instead of.
Oh.
But that is cool.
It's called a bench block.
Yeah, a bench block. Yeah, one of those.
Well, yeah, but it's not nearly as heavy as it.
We want to see machinist shit, right? That's Starrett
I made this.
I know.
That's
well,
pretty cool.
you could show that. I know that's fucking nice, dude. I gotta say.
It looks like a
But
test piece to check.
Let's do this.
Wait a second. I took this. I took this.
Wait, I just trumped this slide hammer.
I took this. I threw it in the lathe and I put it down on it and got it kind of close. And I
and you said
cleaned up.
RC58, right?
It's probably somewhere in there. And I cut this, turned it around, and did the other end. I set this on the surface block plate. Ran the height gauge on. It's less than 1,000th all of being flat parallel.
You're kidding.
I paid no attention
That's
to it.
fucking great.
Hey, sometimes though you just do that. Like I've just
That was
thrown
like
stuff in to
stupid luck.
to touch off, and it's like, and I'll touch off my Z or I'll touch it off, and I move it. I have to do it a couple times. Like, whoa,
Move it.
Because sometimes the computer you think it doesn't register, and I've had issues where it had a mind of its own where it just said, "I want to go home," and it blew it fucking ripped shit. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay,
I was just
we're gonna have too many parts on here, so it's either this
whatever.
or
just use that.
Whatever. I
Don't use this. I was just being a dick.
Okay, yeah.
No, you can't have that.
Damn.
Okay.
I don't
all right,
even
so,
know one of those.
I don't make one.
All right, so let's go.
I know. I don't
I'm
even know
gonna
one of
CNC
those.
machine one of these.
Yeah, I need one
Those
of those
are
too.
those
eBay.
Crank out 6 of them.
eBay. $20.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh,
and it's a real stereo.
You know, the
That's
thing
why I
is,
got
I
it.
was trying to tell Ray, like,
That's
when we were
I've
doing
used it like
T-nuts,
2
the
times.
CNC machine
Yeah.
and T-nuts. And
Oh,
it's, he's like, oh, is it done yet?
But I did
No,
lap it.
I
I did
created
lap
the
it.
solid model in SolidWorks. And then you export it into
Yeah,
Nice
right,
to
right,
have.
right.
Yeah.
For gun
He
stuff,
goes,
they're great
"Is it
to
ready to go
have.
yet?"
Sure.
No, we have to create the tool paths, use the tool you want to use, what speed, RPM.
Oh, yeah.
He said
Is it done yet? No, and then we have to export it onto the compact flash, walk it over to my machine, load it in my machine. Is it ready yet? No, we have to touch off the tools. We have to find the datums that we're going to run from.
It's a lot of work. It's
Yeah, you're cutting a valuable fucking YouTube video time.
Let's
What
get
the
five.
fuck?
Yeah,
let's
we're
get
talking
do the
about all
5
these
We
minutes
still
of
got to do
video.
a chisel test.
I just
on.
want to do a test
Yeah, let's go.
for everybody. I am now. Why'd you change the handle?
Make it easier.
Oh, okay. No, I'm just curious. That's cool. Billy's gonna think I only know people named Ray.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a willow. That makes sure work for that, huh, Randy?
It's not that much material. Actually, I've done this to my own punches and stuff. I just get them all together. I
Yeah.
boom, I chuck them up one after another one. Not bad.
Anything to drink? Go up the chair. Well, that's the deal. Tony's got to put a car in every night, so. No matter how big of a mess Phil makes, Phil cleans up.
We're there.
Okay, what angle was that? That was a.
That's 120 total. 60 degree, you know, but 120 total. I'm going to show you how I showed you
All right.
that I just hardened
That's
it.
fine. That's fine.
We reground this to 90 degree point, total angle, and then we hardened it. we're gonna test it. Here, Phil. Phil, how hard it. Phil is our QA.
Can you rock hard test that, Phil?
What do you think? 52 is the number. Official hardness test. Alrighty. Now we're going to turn around and do this more center punch test. Okay, so here's our original punch test, and that dulled the tip on this. And it's very hard to see. It's in a circle. It's just barely a dimple in
Just
there.
rotate it so
So we
hopefully you can
reground.
see it.
Okay, let's test it.
All right, so test number 2. 3 pounds. That's what I did the first time.
Okay.
Oh man, it destroyed it again.
We didn't get it hard enough, or we tempered it too much. This is pretty hard.
That's pretty hard.
This is
That's evident that that's pretty hard.
pretty hard.
Yeah, because our tip is done.
Okay, so wah wah wah. That's okay.
Did you temper it though?
Yes.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
So you probably tempered it too soft.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, I didn't
You
get that
RC tested it, remember?
Right.
That's
You
right.
were the QA
So-
guy.
You're the 50
You know what?
guy.
It's on Phil.
It was 52. You said.
Yeah.
That's what we went with.
That's not hard enough. You need at least mid-60s.
Well.
Now you tell us.
Yeah. Well, let's.
Okay, well, I don't think it's gonna.
I know it's not going to do anything, but
It's not
Try
go
gonna-
ahead, smack it anyway. I want to.
It just
Wow.
push the metal around.
Yeah.
You know what though? It made a bigger dimple than your
Well, I think
hardened
it chipped
slide
I think
hammer.
it chipped the paint.
It did. It just pushed the paint. It chipped the
Your
paint.
helicopter orange.
Yeah.
It chipped the paint,
Yeah.
and the punch is like toast.
Okay. Well.
Just toast.
Well. Now that's the way it is.
Remember, we had a whole new angle on this
Yeah,
one
we
too.
did a different angle. Well, that's why we're testing it.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we did here, we drilled a hole. We're going to drive a pin and we're going to test our small pin punch.
Cool. Let's see
Okay,
how this
so-
works.
This is a piece of a 6061, I think.
Oh, wow.
60, I think
It
it's,
is.
Yeah.
6061.
We got a hardened pin.
Look at that. He's got the Midas touch.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Right up. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Now for the small pin punch. This is
That's not
85,000.
it. That's our snap-on.
Are we going to drive her home, or are we going to
85,000. It's pin.
let's
Power pin.
countersink first and then drive her home?
Countersink.
Let's just go for it.
Yeah.
All right.
If it
Okay.
breaks, it breaks.
Oh. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, that was.
Oh man.
no,
Well,
no.
that worked good. That was a success.
Yeah. There's a.
There it is.
There's our pin.
And that's a hardened pin too.
Hardened
So
They
pin.
used to have like a little satellite clinic.
I'm gonna say that.
oh my eye.
No, I can feel it flex a tiny bit. And
That's what you want though.
we want a little. You want a little flex.
Right.
Hey Ray, do you think you can demonstrate that pin drive again?
Maybe we could do a slow mo on that. No.
Yeah, that'd be great.
And then finding someone who actually wants.
Okay, so we got things tested, and we found out a few things. And about the center punch thing is going to probably be the biggest issue.
All right, so let's
Maybe it might be a different material.
guys, let's regroup and figure out what we're going to do with these hardened points.
Different material, possibly. That's why.
I think that's
That's why.
What was Stan talking about?
S7.
An S7.
S7,
The S7.
and you're looking into the S7.
Yes.
Yeah. And
Yes.
Ray's looking into getting
I
some.
got
So we.
leads. I got leads out there on the S7.
I mean, we
We
can
don't
buy it
have-
on- you can buy it online.
Okay,
but
if we get S7, let's not make a full-blown chisel. Let's just make a piece, test the point before
And
we.
then see how well it
Yeah.
holds up.
Before
yeah,
we make
yeah,
the
we
whole
don't have
chisel.
you don't have to make the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
That's true. And when we can always test that. So
Yeah, because
But
I know
think,
you have a lot of time in these.
it probably I don't think it takes an hour.
There is no such thing as the perfect point or the
Yeah.
perfect
No.
angle. I
It-
think we can get close.
And it's material you're trying to punch.
Yeah.
You got to always consider we know this is hard. This is really hard, and that's what it takes.
Yeah.
You're not going to maybe get it something that's going to put a big enough ding in it,
Right.
big enough
Right.
point
Well,
in something like this. So
The saga continues then.
the saga will continue, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, we only have 8 months.
I think we'll make it.
All right, I want to thank you guys,
I want to thank
Ray,
you.
you.
Ray and Ray,
Ray,
and
Nice
Phil.
meeting you,
Thank
buddy.
you,
for
Phil.
coming down to the
Absolutely.
shop.
Everybody over there, here, shake your hands. Everybody shaking hands in the video. Yeah,
Phil,
there we go.
thank you for the
Okay.
Rockwell hardness test.
All righty.
What is that?
Again.
That's my phone.
That's your phone.
Who is that, Phil? It must be another YouTuber.
Okay.
All right, let's
Let's
get
give it a
to the
test.
task
Let's
at
give
hand
it a
here.
test and get going here.
All right.
Where am I?
Good.